Hey guys, it's Chloe. What is up? This is just a short little announcement video. I just wanted to introduce myself to you guys because, yeah, I am now a part of the channel City of Lost Souls. Yay! Yay! But anyway, I'm really excited to be a part of this channel and like make some videos on here and just meet a bunch of new people. I know there's been a lot of drama recently with group channels such as My Digital Escape, but my goal is to make this channel successful and drama free and just a good place for you guys. I'm Chloe. Just some things about me. I love music, obviously. I'm really big into nerdy things like Lord of the Rings, Doctor Who, Marvel. I have no life, so yeah, I also love bands like Pierce the Veil, Sage and Sirens, Bring Me the Horizon, Black Veil Brides, County Empire, 21 Pilots, etc. But I hope to get to know everyone else on this channel and you guys in the near future. With that, I hope you guys have an awesome day and look forward to seeing more from me soon. Okay, bye man!